Hi everyone and welcome to
Take a risk in the kitchen.
Today we're gonna make a really nice recipe and very easy. Juliet, what recipe we're gonna make?
We're gonna make a butternut squash and almond cake.
Butternut squash. Why butternut squash?
Because butternut squash is very rich in vitamin C, E and A. It's also very good for the immune system, but also very sweet.
That's indeed. Guys, we're going to be adding some spices. Juliet, can we share the spices now or should they wait?
No, they have to wait until the cooking starts.
You guys have to wait and see until the cooking stuff. So guys, now I think it's time to go to our video and watch the recipe. But before,
like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, please comment, share with your family and friends.
so
And
this
the
way,
ingredients are going to be down below.
yes, ingredients will be down below, and this way you help us to carry on posting videos for you. So now, follow us to the recipe.
So first off, we are going to take our 3 eggs, those I already cracked them, put in this bowl. Going to put them right over here, like this. Put it over here. Then we are going to take 150 grams of caster sugar, but you can use white sugar if you want. We're gonna mix with our whisk. So now we're gonna put 18 milliliters of oil, of vegetable oil. Mix it again. Now we're gonna have 300 grams of plain flour. Mix it. I'm going to add 100 milliliters of milk. Mix it up. We are going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so we're going to mix with our spatula. Now we're going to get the 200 grams of grated butternut squash. Mix it. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now we're going to add 100 grams of almond flakes. But if you're allergic to almonds or any kind of nuts, you can just remove those. And we're going to mix it. And half of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Gonna mix it all up. Now that I've put everything in the baking tray, I'm going to put this in the preheated oven that was at 180 degrees, but as I said this before, for 10 minutes, and we're going to leave it to cook around 35 minutes. So see you then.
Guys, now
Here comes the taste testing.
after 45 minutes, because it can take between 35 to 45 minutes, we have this amazing cake. Look at the texture. And look at that. Wow. Guys, comes a very bad part for you guys and the best for us. Let's try it. Juliet, are you ready to try?
Yeah.
Let's see what comes to it now. Very good. I like it. Nice, no? Again?
Yeah.
No. You can feel, you can taste this, the spice, the butternut,
Yeah.
and all the almonds as well. So guys, if you like it, the recipe, please follow us, leave your like, share, and comment below. Because now it's our time to enjoy this with a glass of milk. Right? So bye, see you next video.